the quickest way, according to Edgar Cayce, to the enlightened life is directly through spiritual introspection and meditation that leads you to your core nature. The higher nature, the higher level of awareness is available to everyone because it is at the very core of their being. Their nature is divine in origin, and the object of enlightenment is to become divine in expression. And so, in a sense, you know, the best and closest guru you could find is Christ in you, who will lead you to that enlightened consciousness.